Today we have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now what is this?
Sun.
Sun. Is the sun hot or cold?
Hot.
Okay, and we have 8 planets in the solar system. Can you give me the 8 planets? Start with Mercury.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good. All right, let's proceed for this one. What is the first planet? You say
Mercury.
Mercury. And do you know that Mercury is hot during the day and cold at night? Okay. And what is this? This is the hottest planet. What is this? You say?
Uranus.
You say
Venus.
Okay, that is the hottest planet. And we live here in this planet. You say?
Earth.
Earth. And what is the color of the Earth? Color?
Blue.
And?
Green.
Okay, do you like Earth?
Yes.
Okay, what is this? This one is a red planet. You say? Mars.
Mars.
Okay, what is this? This one is the biggest planet.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. What do you call this one? The planet that it has a ring.
Saturn.
Do you like Saturn?
Yes.
Yes. What do you call this one? This one is the coldest planet and it starts with letter U.
Uranus.
Do you like Uranus?
Yes.
And last question for this one. What is the last planet? You say?
Neptune.
And what is the color of Neptune?
Green.
Are you sure it's green?
No, blue.
Blue. All right. Can you say again the 8 planets? We start with Mercury.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
And what planets do you like? Teacher Suba likes Jupiter. How about you? I like
Earth.
You like Earth. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye. Bye bye. All right.